In the heart of India's criminal justice system lies a critical issue: prison reforms. Despite repeated calls for action, the conditions in many prisons across the country remain dire.
Often in jail you see other things also, like especially in your initial days, if you some for no reason at all or for very little things, the staff will abuse you, they will slap you, or turn your hand. And often people have no clue that actually in judicial custody this is not supposed to happen to you, that when and the staff is not allowed to use violence against you.
इतनी सी जगह, मतलब एक कफन की जगह आपको दी जाती है, मतलब जो उस कफन की जगह में आपको लेटना है, अपना सामान रखना है, थोड़ा भी इधर उधर हो गए तो परेशानी। जिस समय जैसे फ़ोन कॉल होता था तो तुरंत कट कर देंगे, मतलब ये जो एहसास है कि भी कहीं आपकी आज़ादी छिन गई है, आपकी डिग्निटी को उन्होंने ऐसा पकड़ रखा है, और ये फीलिंग तो बार बार होती है।
Recently, the Supreme Court pulled up states for failing to implement directives on prison reforms. Overcrowding, delays in trials, inadequate healthcare, and substandard living conditions persist. The court's directives include creation of district committees to assess prison conditions and recommend improvements. But many states have failed to follow through, neglecting their responsibility to prioritize prison reforms. This failure underscores the need for sustained advocacy and action in the realm of criminal justice.
See, in our country, knowledge is itself privilege. Okay, knowledge of anything. And knowledge of rights and law is also a privileged section. Now, even the privilege of an activist. So I had certain knowledge of what your rights are, though I didn't know the intricacies of a jail manual. There was an overwhelming number of Chara women in our jails. Now Chara is a denotified tribe, used to be criminalized tribes under the British. So you see that they are extremely marginalized. Fair amount of Muslims, lots of Dalits, and many from the economically poor sections.
For a while now, CJP has been at the forefront of the fight for prison reforms. Now, with PUCL, we have jointly released a manifesto to accelerate the long pending issues around prison reforms. Our joint manifesto for the 2024 Lok Sabha elections outlines comprehensive demands for change. CJP advocates for immediate release of under-trial prisoners who have served half their maximum sentence. We call for efficient legal aid to be provided to all prisoners, ensuring fair treatment under the law. Additionally, CJP demands police accountability, pushing for reforms to prevent abuse of power and ensure transparency. With continued advocacy and action, meaningful change in India's criminal justice system is possible. Join the movement for prison reforms and police accountability. Together, we can make a difference.